Good morning and welcome back. Today we are leaving Savannah. We're starting a road trip, about just over 5-hour road trip to Orlando. We are really excited. This whole part of the road trip, the first part, has gone by, I'd like to say it's gone by really fast, but it actually feels like we've been away for ages. I hope you've enjoyed watching and following along so far. So today the plan is to leave Savannah. We are driving to Jacksonville. That's our almost midway point, and we're stopping for Cheesecake Factory, and then we arrive in Orlando. So we can't wait to step foot in Florida. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you. We thought we'd head to the Mirabelle Cafe for a last coffee. I think we're just going to take it out and then we're going to get on the road. Troop Square. This place does intrigue me. It was open really late as well, wasn't it? The Fox and Fig.
9.
Yeah. I just like all the little plants outside.
3.
Okay.
But the rest of that, it's only 7.
Oh, look at the little seat upstairs there by their front door. I like this road so much. And I've just noticed a little sign here. I wonder if Jingle Bells is the name of the church.
I think it is.
It's just I was intrigued as to why the house was called Jingle Bells, with it obviously being Christmas. Oh, he was the composer of Jingle Bells. That's cool. A prolific songwriter, his best known Jingle Bells. That is Jingle Bells, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. From here. That's quite cool. I like the sculpture everywhere as well, do you?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I love this. I just love the shot. It's the ornate.
Flats, or do you reckon they're all
I don't know. Yeah, that's a good point. It's how ornate everything is, isn't it?
They're quite small, but 3 stories.
High ceilings.
Yeah, like thin, but
yeah. One of my husband's great tips for road tripping, taking frozen and chilled water. We've got water in the back for the kids. They've got a chilled, ready to drink now, and they've also got frozen water bottles so that they stay cold. They'll melt during the trip, meaning that in a few hours time they've got chilled water when this one is either drunk or warm. Bye bye Savannah. Oh, something's coming. They do come up these roads quite fast, don't they? Or it feels fast.
There's a cycle lane there as well.
Okay.
Right, I think.
I absolutely love this city.
After 250 yards, turn right, East Taylor Street.
You just want to look everywhere, don't you? These ones are really tiddly as well, those little ones. Oh, this one's nice, Holly. Look at the decking outside with the chairs. Oh, they're obviously in a rental
right,
house.
Then take the freeway.
Oh. Ah! Oh, sorry. Look at this street as well, Hoz.
You can put that in your door if you want to, if it's easier.
Sorry, Ada, wasn't concentrating.
Please turn second left.
Oh, this one's sweet. Look at this square.
good for a wedding.
Yeah, it would be actually. Can you squeeze through there? Oh, it's a housing community there. We are in desperate need of a Georgia mug for our Starbucks collection. We have not found any yet. There was none in Savannah. We have just seen a Starbucks sign on the roadside, so we're going to head in here and see if we can find one.
Exit now. Then.
Look what we found! I'm so happy. It's a really pretty one. Right, so we're in search of the smallest church in America. Look out for gators, Lou. Seriously, you should generally see gators in the watery areas. Can you see any? Any little eyes popping up? Right, so
I love the gators.
on the left-hand side.
I think maybe if you would turn the music up, they might hear it.
Do you reckon? It's supposed to be tiny. Oh, it's so cute! We saw it on Google Maps.
We've got to stand by the side of it.
That is so sweet. We can just pull over, can't we?
Let's pull around here a bit.
I just thought it was just a cool thing. I noticed it on Google Maps. I just thought it was a cool thing to
I actually
see.
reckon if we get out, there are people in the forest with crossbows.
No, they're not. This is what I love about road trips, just finding cool things. It's so cute.
My lens was a bit funny.
It's such a sweet place. Oh, I really like it. Thank you.
Yeah.
It says it's small, eh?
Yeah.
Like your Mormons and
See any gators, Lou?
your Jehovah's Witnesses, those are called sects.
There's something in the middle there, but I don't know what that is. It's all quite swampy around here, isn't it?
I wonder if we're starting to get the change of the countryside.
Yeah, that's true actually, because it is a lot more swampy, whereas before in Tennessee you'd have never have seen this, would you? So over this river, and we will be in Florida. So right in the middle of the river, kids, is the state line. It might be that the sign is actually on the other side of the river. I reckon the green one possibly says Florida, and then there'll be a proper Florida one. What do you reckon?
I wonder if that side.
Oh no, that says St. Mary's River.
Oh, at least this one say Georgia on there.
Yeah, that one says welcome to Georgia. Oh
we
my
go.
goodness, look at the Florida one. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Welcome to Florida.
Oh, why did my phone do that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Where did that come from?
No.
You're on Google Maps.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you.
The palm trees.
Oh, and palm trees, yes.
Baby palm trees.
Oh, they are babies. We wondered how soon we'd see palm trees, didn't we? So we're going to stop in the rest centre. Any gators down there, Lou? Oh, that's made me really happy. Although we could all get free orange juice, according to it, in this one. Oh, that's a nice one. We need a picture under that one. Florida welcomes you. Thank you, Florida. We're going to have a mooch in Florida's rest stop. I like these little welcome centres. Is everyone coming out with their free orange juice? Yeah? Yeah.
Welcome to Florida as well.
Oh, has it? Oh, okay.
Maybe not as nice as the one up here.
Yeah. Holly, inside first, or should we go inside here first and then we'll do the welcome sign? You found your pressed penny yet? No? I like all the fun stuff at the welcome centres. Thank you, Florida. This is one huge bridge. That's like mega bridge, isn't it?
So like Louis' mega lunches.
Yeah, but in bridge form. That is ginormous. Actually, do you think when you're on it though, it doesn't seem as bad as when you look at it from a distance?
No, I don't like it.
Just stay in the middle and you'll be fine. Do you reckon we'll get a good view? Yeah. Oh, it's actually not that bad.
It's quite tall.
It is quite tall, I agree. Mind your way.
No, that's not you good, you good.
After 2 miles.
Does it feel steep driving?
Yeah, it's a slope up here, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's quite cool. I wonder, it must be baseball. They must fire towards this way. Not
Maybe it's
fire,
top
but
goal.
top goal. Do you reckon, because this is the back of the net, do you reckon the baseball pitch is in the middle there?
Big.
Yeah.
We should look on Google Maps.
We should do, good idea. So we're going to head towards Cheesecake Factory. Quite a lot around here. It's got Publix, Five Guys, Aldi, Mattress Firm, Blaze Pizza. Oh. Can we go in this way?
I don't know.
Should we have a look?
Yeah, cars today.
The macaroni, fried macaroni balls. We've got,
Sorry, I took one over there to
that's
try.
alright, cheeseburger, egg rolls. Holly has got one huge portion of sweet potato fries. And what was it? Firecracker salmon egg rolls. The red cabbage looks nice as well. Louis got southern fried chicken. And Aid's got
Have some fries.
cheese inside his burger and fries. All the gooey cheese. And then that's the cheese inside the cheeseburger. It's a very gooey one, isn't it? Is it the Oreo Dream Extreme you usually go for?
Yeah.
Lou, there's salted caramel.
Over there, yeah, like a banana.
I don't know. I wonder if they have some behind the thing.
Oh, that's the one I got. White
Is
chocolate
there? I
ones.
can't see the cherry one that I usually have. And Holly was correct. It is Top Golf. Did you actually say Top Golf as well, Holly?
Look at them all. Can you see them all shooting?
Yeah, they have one more level than we do.
That's so cool. It's quite funny on the side of the road. Orlando kids, we're on the way.
We are 10 minutes away from the Grove, and Aid says we've done 310 miles today. It's felt like a very long day. It's currently 20 to 6 in the evening, and I am going to do a separate video when we get to the Grove of our room tour. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Last time we came here there were no cars at all. All that sky's come over dark. I wonder how different it will look. Yeah, it was actually pouring with rain, wasn't it? Looks pretty. Oh, thanks, love.
Yeah. It'll be clearer now.
Oh, thanks.
The water now.
Yeah, 'cause remember the water park wasn't built either.
No.
The palm trees are babies.
Yeah, that's true actually.
After 400 yards, turn right, Grand Palisades Boulevard.
Oh, sat nav struggled with that one. Yeah, because the water park was just a building site, wasn't it?
So we are in a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom superior room. We're supposed to have the firework view. We're not sure yet at the moment, so fingers crossed we have. So we've got a view over the water park.